fully oxidized fats that we consume when they're already
Yeah.
that oxidized.
So McDonald's famously used to use beef tallow for their French fries. And apparently they were magnificent. I don't remember that, but whatever. And then in the 1990s, the vegan animal rights group, PETA, and it's some of its related groups pressured them into switching from tallow to, I think they were using some sort of shortening, which means lots of trans fats,
Yep,
right?
yep.
Oops. Um, and then I think it was the early 2000s when they started I think it was actually in the 1990s when industry started realizing the trans fats were harmful, and industry was way ahead of governments in reacting to this. And Cargill, who is one of, if not the largest producers of vegetable oils in the world, went to McDonald's and said, "You guys need to stop using shortening and trans fats. We think they're going to get banned and they're probably harmful to people. And we have a solution for you. It's a low linoleic acid rapeseed oil, right?
Hmm.
Type of canola oil. And this will be beneficial because it's low in linoleic acid, and so it's much less susceptible to oxidation, right? Because not only is oxidation harmful to your body, but it also makes for a crappy eating experience when you are cooking, right?